G'day folks, Austrian Nature Show, coming to you live from Deutschland. That's right folks, we're in Germany, and we're here on the Autobahn, and guess what? There's no speed limit, so we go as fast as we want. Look at them go, look at us go, look at those guys not go. Doing 180 kilometers an hour. That's like really fast. And look, there's an Uber C. Uber meaning a lot and not a little. A lot meaning the speed we're going right now. Because we can. It's what we do. It's in our nature. Here we go, round the bend. Slowpoke auf Deutsch. Okay, it's you guys. Sorry. Alright, so today this video is sponsored by Pringles sour cream and onion. Very tasty, very crunchy, and you can't stop it because they're delicious. They're so amazing. Just like this drive through Germany. Very amazing. And very Uber C. Very good. Well, have fun. We're on our way to see Muse. See you guys. Goodbye. See ya. Wide angle lens.